guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I hope you guys are doing well. We are on day 5 for our last day of sneak peeks. Our box of the month will release tomorrow, 9 a.m. Central Time on February 1st. So if you've been watching the reveals, you might have seen that I had a pop-up giveaway in one of the videos. So if you haven't seen that, go back, watch the videos, and leave a comment on each video in order to be in the running for a little goodie bag that I will be sending out. I will announce the winner on my community tab here on YouTube. I will announce the winner on my YouTube community tab on February 2nd. So make sure you go back and leave a comment on each of those videos. So we revealed all the beautiful goodies that will be in your box. We have the Alice in Wonderland inspired paper and ephemera. I made a beautiful card using both the stamp. The sentiment is from the stamp set here, Wonderland Sentiment, so this is great to go with your paper pad and ephemera. And I also did create a card with this stamp set, but using the sentiment from the other stamp set. Very, very cute and fun. And this one is called Meet Me in Wonderland. And then we have a collection called Meet Me at the Theater. So this is a really fun collection. And here I did a card using both, and plus the sentiment from today's reveal. It says, "Love you more than buttered popcorn." And for today's reveal, we have a stamp set movie night. We've got a girl holding a popcorn on a popcorn pillow, and then we've got the boy. We've got some popcorn garland. I used the popcorn garland right here on this card in the corner. I thought that was a cute little touch to bring some color up to the top of the card. We've got a single popcorn. We've got the popcorn machine, and then we've got a nice big popcorn bucket. We've got a little smiley face if you wanted to add a cute little smiley face to your popcorn. The sentiments, "Love you more than buttered popcorn." Movie night, pop. "No one is butter than you." And I think it's really cute. So we're going to color some of these images today. And we will be having the die available for separate purchase on February 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. So the quantities are limited on the dies. As you can see, it'll cut out the little spokes and all the sentiments in your set. So if you're interested in the die, visit us on the 1st and grab that die early because there is limited quantities. So I stamped out all the images in the set, so let's do some coloring. If you're new to our channel or new to our shop, every month on the 1st, we have a new release. We release a brand new box of the month, which is a subscription, or you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. When you join the club, to check out, you'll use the drop-down menu, choose monthly for your frequency, and that will get you a 5% discount in your shopping cart. Then you'll get a new box of goodies every month. We also release a brand new stamp of the month, a stamp and die of the month, and a paper pad club subscription. In the paper pad club subscription, you'll get 2 new designs every month. When you sign up for that club, you'll get an 18% off. That also applies to the stamp and die of the month and the stamp of the month. Great clubs to get on. The design team and I provide lots of inspiration for you throughout the month here on the YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. We will be kicking off on the 1st with a YouTube hop and giveaway, so don't forget to come on back on the 1st, check out all the inspiration, and do a little shopping. I'm going to finish off my images with a white Jelly Roll pen, add some highlight details to the images. I think it really makes the images stand out. There's the cute little boy that I colored up off camera. I'm going to snip away the dies. They do come attached, so you're going to want to take your wire snippers and snip them apart. I am using the new Lawn Fawn snippers. You can get that in my shop. You'll see that under the Lawn Fawn section. They seem to be working pretty good. They worked a lot better than the old snippers that I had. So these are kind of pointy and great to get into those little spaces. So this is how they all turned out after I cut them out with the dies. You can see the little spokes, how cute that looks cut out on the inside. We are going to make a slimline card today, so I chose a black card base. I thought that color would make all these bright colors really pop. So now I'm going to add this white panel down, so I'll have a black border. And then I took some scraps that I had left over from when I made a different card. So I thought I'd just lay those panels down, and then you'll see what I do. I'm going to put one panel down on the top left hand corner and then one in the bottom right hand corner. And this is just going to balance out the design. I'll leave a little white border at the bottom. I also cut 2 circles out with some circle dies. I wanted that beautiful pattern paper to be showing in the design with the popcorn and the drink and all that. So that will be a little nice backdrop for my images. I hope you're excited about this month's box like I am. I just love this month's box. It is just like so fun. I've had so much fun making these projects, and I hope you guys will have so much fun creating beautiful things. So thank you so much for joining me on the 5-day sneak peek. Visit me tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central Time for a hop and release. Thank you guys, and I will catch you next time. Here you can click on our latest video or another recommended video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it.